So guys, people ask me one question here. So how we can activate for the WhatsApp live chat option? So how will be activate? In this activate will be here. When scrolling time here, the showing for a lot of buttons are here. Here buy property and book now here. So we can using for buy property option. We can using for let's chat option will be given. Which option? Let's chat. So in this option will be where you can go for WordPress login. The option name is called customize. In the every option will be there, particular blogger front end page or WordPress front end page. That all option will be given by the WordPress. The option called appearance. In this call, so what are the option will be given here? So in this, which is the option will be given call out by property here. Here we can give by the let's chart refresh. Option will be change. Here will be what are the option will be there for HTTPS. In this we can use option will be simple wa.me slash you're adding for particular option will be here. What is your complete phone number is there for the particular client. So add it here. Copy the URL. Simple this option and paste it. Click for publish. Now any people will be click here. First of all refresh in this option. Any people will be let's chat or contact us. Two options are they will be here. Here I'm not using any other plugins. Just we can use existing option. We can creating for WhatsApp chat option. So that will be very helpful in the particular website to chat with the customer to increase your particular property details will be share the particular option. Just give me the seconds. Let's start option will be there. Here, let's start. They go to your particular WhatsApp chat option. With anything error, the showing for error option will be occurred. So this is a particular option will be. Let's start option will be there. I can let's start will be here. I can give for WhatsApp chat. They not open for that tab. They open for the same tab option here. So just I'm up here for the multi refresh. Now it will showing for here. Just loading for take some time. Here will be here. So here, WhatsApp chat option. Then not require any option will be here. This one click, the chart will appear by the particular option. Second thing is called to show with the icon option. To show with the icon option. In this here, particular show icon purpose, here what we do, there are one kind of code will be there. This is a particular code will be here. So just enter the phone number here. First of all here, in this, we can go to back. So right now I'm adding for here is done for home page. Next I'm done for the remaining pages. When people will be open the pages, in the right corner side, I have to show for WhatsApp chat purpose. Any property, they have to discuss about WhatsApp chat, about the property is available or not. You can using for chat option also will can give. First of all, in this very important is called upload image more important. Image uploading purpose, we have to create by the image on the particular here. The image will be two. Like this we can using these two option. Chat with us on WhatsApp. Here we'll be using for any two images will be here. First of all, the dashboard, selecting for here media option. First of all, I'm uploading for image. After that, these all images are there. Upload for WhatsApp image. Select file, where it is, which one is suitable, add it here. Add option done. Go to library. This is all nothing but image particular adding here. Click for view. They're showing for WhatsApp button here. Just a button will be loading in the particular space. Right click, copy the email address. Just add here and updating for in this option. Just the email will updated here. Just copy the code. Then you have to update by the phone number here. So what is the phone number here? Copy, update the phone number here. Complete code. Nothing will be there. Just code already there. And one more thing, guys. This code will be available by the my particular website will be there. Rakesh Tech Solution. The blog option will be there. Each and every code will be here. Go to code and just to follow the my code option, the particular blog here. Now everything will be design done. First of all, image upload compass important media. After that, view and copy the image address important. Here is option. Copy link address. When click for view will be another tab. After that, you have to right click option and copy the image address. Just you have to only enter the two things, image address and your particular phone number. After copy this option, this is the without plugin option. Click for appearance. Option name is called widgets. Where you can visible when people will be watching, here will be showing for WhatsApp chat button. In this, where you can option will be custom HTML, right side sidebar, add a widget, add it. Let's start. Save. Done. So your option will be here. Click for refresh. Here, what option should will be? Let's chat. So your small spelling mistake. Let's start. Save and done. Now click for refresh. The chart will be here. Just one click. If you get any error, they can't open for a particular option. There is nothing plugin required. Every post option they will show. In a home page, the option will be there when you will be scrolling. There is any higher using the plugin option, we can using for without plugin also will be used. So if you're using for more plugin on the WordPress, no worry about that. Without plugin, you can add the particular WhatsApp chat button. The particular home page, any page will be going to the things they going for. Let's start will be here. This option will be given by the each and every page option. This is a code. If you want write the code will be here. Only one thing. This is image will be image URL and update by your phone number will be here. Say this one. Please write down the code will be here and this code will be available by the our website blog option. And if you further any doubts will be required, please ask me in my YouTube channel comment box. And for the any question required, for the any assistant required, please ask me. I definitely will be support on the particular option will be given on this channel comment box option. So this is a way we adding for particular option will be what for the WhatsApp chat button without using plugin option. Any plugin not required. Just upload image and use this and you can make it for the WhatsApp chat. If we require pop-up, compulsory we can go for plugin. Without any pop-up required, we can go this without plugin option. Thank you for watching.